Walt Disney, the creator of Mickey Mouse and Disneyland, is a name known all over the world. But his path to success was not easy. Walt was born on December 5, 1901 in Chicago, Illinois. From a young age, he had a big imagination and loved to draw. However, his life was full of challenges and setbacks. When Walt was a teenager, his family moved to Kansas City. There he worked for a newspaper but was fired because his boss thought he lacked creativity. This was a tough blow for young Walt, but he did not give up. He continued to work on his drawing skills and learned about animation. Walt decided to start his own animation company. He and his friend, Iwerks, created a character called Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Oswald was a success, but Walt soon faced another challenge. He lost the rights to Oswald and most of his animators were hired away by another company. Walt was disappointed but determined to keep going. In 1928, Walt and created a new character, Mickey Mouse. Mickey became an instant hit and made Walt famous. People loved Mickey's cheerful personality and adventures. This success gave Walt the confidence to keep creating new characters and stories. In the 1930s, Walt decided to make a full-length animated movie. Many people thought it was a crazy idea. They called it Disney's Folly because they did not believe anyone would want to watch a long cartoon. But Walt believed in his vision. He worked hard and invested all his money into the project. In 1937, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs premiered. It was a huge success and became the highest-grossing film of its time. With the success of Snow White, Walt continued to create more beloved films like Pinocchio, Fantasia, Dumbo, and Bambi. But Walt had an even bigger dream. He wanted to create a place where families could have fun together, a place full of magic and adventure. This dream led to the creation of Disneyland. Disneyland opened in 1955 in Anaheim, California. It was the first theme park of its kind, with rides, shows, and attractions based on Walt's movies. People from all over the world came to visit and experience the magic. Disneyland was a huge success, and it showed the world the power of imagination and creativity. Walt Disney's story is one of perseverance and innovation. He faced many challenges and failures, but he never gave up on his dreams. His creativity and determination changed the entertainment industry forever. Today, Disney's name is synonymous with joy, imagination, and creativity. Walt Disney showed us that with hard work and a little bit of magic, anything is possible. Thanks for watching.